Hello learners, welcome to online lecture on web analytics and data-driven marketing. Myself, Ashish Joshi, Assistant Professor, School of Computer Science and IT, Uttarakhand Open University, Haldwani. Let's start with the lecture. The learning objective of this lecture is understand the fundamentals of web analytics, what is web analytics, types of web analytics, the key components of web analytics, why we use web analytics, reasons for using web analytics, methods of measuring web traffics, about analytics tools like Google, the dimensions and the matrices. First, we go to the introduction of web analytics. The rapid growth of internet use and the creation of countless websites have given rise to a whole field focused on understanding how people behave and interact online. Most users are comfortable with the idea of interacting with a non-human structure like website, which is giving them access to information and allowing them to conduct different operations. The website, which serves as a gateway, provides numerous opportunities for the users. There are many types of static and dynamic websites that exist and offers different levels of interaction and entertainment. Most people do not realize that their internet activity and browsing are being tracked and recorded in various ways, which helps website owner learn more about their visitors and how they use the sites. The next is what is web analytics? Web analytics is about using website data to understand and analyze online trends. Web analytics involves collecting, reviewing, and analyzing data about the traffic coming across the website using different tools. It tracks how many people visit a site and what they do there, helping developers to see which features are working well and which needs to be improved. It is also used to measure how effective the website's content is. A domain where the analysis of web traffic is becoming increasingly popular is e commerce. Companies use this data as an easy and cost effective way to do a market research without bothering their customers. It also valued for advertising as businesses can quickly see how users react to new ads or promotions. The data which is coming from the web analytics also provide gainful information about the demographic of the user, and the information can be used to inform the operational decisions of the firm. Such type of a research has implications for what the business produces, what it sells, how it sells, and to whom it sells. Broadly, the types of metrics measured by web analytics instruments include the number of people who visits a website, a number of pages viewed, number of clicks, etc. There are categories of web analytics. One is off-site web analytics and the other is on-site web analytics. Off-site web analytics measures website's performance outside its platform. It tracks data like search engine ranking, social media mentions, and overall visibility on the internet. It also helps businesses to understand their online presence and attract more visitors. On-site web analytics tracks visitors' behavior directly on a website. It measures data like page views, spend time, clicks, and conversion, helping website owners to understand how users interact with their site and improve its performance and user experiences. The length of their visit and the conversion of their interest into purchases or subscription can also be assessed. It is also possible to learn about the landing pages that attracts the buyer to complete a purchase on a website. The next one is on-site web analytics. On-site web analytics plays a crucial role for commercial interest as companies seek to understand the precise values of their investments. The most commonly utilized instrument for assessing user responses online is Google Analytics. On-site web analytics contains two methods for managing the process. Firstly, the log method, in which the server records the request of the visitors in a log file and then these can be read. Another method known as page tagging is used more often at present. In page tagging, when a page loads and when something is clicked on the website, it is registered in the web analytics by embedding JavaScript in the code. Content planning. Web analytics can be utilized in content planning to determine which type of items or elements may be problematic or unnecessary. With this data, it is straightforward to assess and analyze your own performance against that of previous period. Using these numbers make it simple to outline a growth trend for your businesses. If the site is not attracting sufficient visitors and your company is thinking about a significant redesign, web analytics can assist you in determining if this could be a worthwhile investment or not. The next is influence on marketing decisions. Marketing is a crucial field that is influenced by the outcomes of web analysis. Website owner can easily determine how users are arriving at their sites, such as via another website or a different link. In this manner, they can utilize these channels to promote their products and services. For example, if a clothing retailer receives a majority of its order from Facebook page, it can be concluded that marketing on that Facebook page needs to be more intensive. The next topic is key components of web analytics. The first one is data collection methods. Data collection methods includes data gathering techniques such as JavaScript tags, cookies, and server logs. Proper data collection is crucial for accurate analysis and decision making. The next is metrics and KPIs. The specific measurement parameters used to evaluate website performance. Examples include bounce rate, conversion rate, and average session duration. The next is reporting and visualization. It involves presenting data in easily understandable formats like charts, graphs, and dashboards. Clear visualizations help in quick comprehension and communication of insights. The next one is the reason for using web analytics. Websites offering a large amount of contents, whether textual or not, lacked a clear method for evaluating or determining the value of the discourse presented on their platform. In the language of business, the assessment of content's return on investment has been enabled through the use of advanced web analytics. To access the value of your website content, both qualitative and quantitative analysis are essential. In quantitative analysis, it provides insights about the numerical and statistical value of the content by informing the business about users' action. Whereas in qualitative analysis, it allows the business to understand how users interact with the content, which can inform you about the reason for the user's visit and how effective your content is. The web analytics allows website content developers to get great insights into what to present to the users in order to increase their web traffic. The next is the tools, that is Google Analytics tool. Google Analytics is one of the most widely used tools by various websites and businesses for analyzing web traffic. It is a free service that provides insight about users to websites. You can learn about your traffic sources, conversion rates, etc. from this tool. The return on investment for advertisements, effectiveness of referrals, and success of email campaigns can also be reviewed using Google Analytics. It also offers detailed reports and motion charts for around 50 sites for each user profile. The matrices related to commerce, such as revenue and sales, are also provided by this tool. Moreover, Google Analytics also offers resources for search engine optimizations. The next is the integration of Google Analytics. Integrating Google Analytics requires inserting a specific tracking code into website or applications for tracking the user interactions. This allows for gathering the data regarding traffic, user actions, session length, and conversion matrices. The knowledge acquired assisted companies in enhancing marketing tactics, elevating user experiences, and assessing campaign effectiveness instantly. Google Analytics also offers tools for visualization of data, including a dashboard and a scorecard that displays changes in data over time. Segmentation for analysis of features like conversion is also the feature provided by the Google Analytics. Email based sharing and communication, implementation of intelligent machine learning algorithm for providing insight quickly. Google Analytics also offer custom reports. The feature offered by the Google Analytics are: first one is user insights. User insights provide detailed information about visitors, including location, language, devices used, and their interest. The second one is acquisition data. It tracks how users arrive on your sites, whether from organic search, paid ads, social media, direct traffic, or referral links. The next one is behavioral tracking. Behavior tracking shows how users interact with the website, which pages are most popular, time spent on each page on the website, and where user exit the website. The next one is conversion tracking. It measures goal completion such as purchases, sign-ups, or other predefined actions which help to evaluate the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. The last one is real-time analytics, which monitors real-time user activity on the website, which is helpful for seeing immediate effects of a campaign. The next one is matrices and dimension used in web analytics tools. In Google Analytics, matrices and dimensions are two key components used to analyze and report data about your website or application performance. Matrices are numerical measurements such as length of session, page views, or conversion rates, which indicates performance data in numerical form, while the dimensions are qualitative characteristics such as user type, source of traffic, device category, page title, and user locations. The next one is sessions. In Google Analytics, sessions represents a group of users which interact with your website that occur within a specific time frame. A session may consist of page views, events such as button presses, transactions, and various other interactions. For example, if a user visits your website, browses 3 pages, and downloads a PDF and leaves the site all within 20 minutes, this counts as one session. Matrices contain entrance, page views, bounce, and exit. Entrance monitors the first visit occurring on a designated page. The next one is page views, which counts number of times a page has been visited overall, including by the same user more than once. The next one is bounce. Bounce tracks single page visits where user exits without additional engagement, suggesting possible content or design problems. The next one is exit. Exit, the number of times user leaves your website from a specific page regardless of how they entered or navigated to that page. The next one is channels and devices used in web analytics. In Google Analytics, channel refers to the different group of traffic sources that provide a high level overview of where your website visitors are coming from, like organic search, direct search, referrals, or social, etc. While the device is a dimension that categorizes the type of devices used by the visitors to access your website or application like desktop, tablets, or mobiles. The next one is the goals of your web analytics. These matrices are used to evaluate and record the performance of a website in order to create a comprehensive report focused on some of the following goals. It calculates the efficiency of website content, usability of website, learning about the target audience, traffic of quality, referrals, conversion rates, reports of social medias, e-commerce reporting, etc. Now we come to the learning outcomes of this online tutorial. Understanding web analytics, concepts, tools, and techniques. We are analyzing visitors' behavior. We learn segmentation and targeting of audience, visualization of data and reporting, etc. At last, the summary of this online lecture is web analytics tools are the software used to track and analyze the data from a website. These tools monitor visitors' activity, such as how many people visit the site, how they interact with it, and where they come from. They also measure important matrices like page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates. Businesses use these insights to improve their websites, enhance user experiences, and optimize content. Web analytics help in making data driven decisions, improving marketing strategies, and measuring the success of online campaigns. These tools are essential for increasing website traffic, user engagement, and achieving business goals. Marketing, advertising, and e commerce are among the domains where web analyst reports are utilized. There are two categories which are earlier defined in web analytics, that is offsite and onsite, and there are four primary matrices categorized as site usage, referrals, site content evaluation, and quality assurance. At last, in the next lecture, we are going to discuss about the data driven marketing, the definition of data driven marketing, types of data in marketing, data collection methods, segmentation and target. Thanks for paying attention.